Birds are an essential part of every ecosystem. They assist in seed dispersion, serve as valuable links in the food chain, and sing beautifully in the morning. My group decided to birdwatch at the Chesterton Bird Sanctuary because it seemed relaxing, we love birds, and the sanctuary owner wanted us to determine the most common bird on the sanctuary. The focus of this project was obviously wildlife and its habitat. In the project, Rachel, Olivia, and Kyle did the birdwatching, I made the video, and Katie did research prior to the session. At the sanctuary, all three found the birds. Olivia looked up the species in the Audubon Guide, and Rachel recorded the data. Here is our data and research. We found 4 blue jays. They frequently mimic hawk calls, sounding like We found 12 chipping sparrows. These are found all over Mexico, America, and Canada. In the spring and summer, you can hear the male's long call that sounds a bit like. We saw 1 great blue heron. These are found all over North America. They're known to wade very slowly, stalking fish in the water. Finally, we saw 7 red-winged blackbirds. These aggressive birds are found all throughout of America and almost all of Mexico and Canada. Surprisingly, these birds are very polygynous, so males can have up to 15 mates. A funny story was that I was attacked by a red-winged blackbird in elementary school, and now I am still afraid of them. When we were birdwatching, we heard this call of a red-winged blackbird. We also saw 2 female cardinals. Unlike male cardinals, females are mostly light brown with small flecks of red. These birds are only found in eastern and Midwest America and Mexico.
We saw 3 downy woodpeckers. These birds are just found in America and Canada, and they do not migrate for winter. We saw 1 red-tailed hawk. This is the most common type of hawk in North America. They are not a, quote, backyard bird in the sense that they eat mammals, so they're mostly only found in forested or field areas. We saw 4 Canadian geese. These geese are found all around America and Canada. They stay year-round in the Midwest. Anybody who lives here recognizes.
We saw 3 mallards. The males and females look quite different, the males having an emerald green head with a light brown body, while the females are just speckled brown. They are found all over North America and Europe. We saw 1 American goldfinch. This is the state bird of New Jersey, Iowa, and Washington. They surprisingly follow a strict vegetarian diet of seeds and vegetables and only eat insects on accident. We saw 15 robins. These familiar birds are found all over Mexico, America, and Canada. A fun fact is that robins eat a lot of fruit during the winter, and if they only eat honeysuckle berries, they can become intoxicated.
In retrospect, I wish I could have birdwatched with the group because it sounded like fun. Perhaps it would have been more helpful to the bird ecosystem to either build birdhouses, remove invasive species, or clean up trash. But the purpose of this project was to collect data rather than to take direct action. We achieved our goal. The most common birds at the sanctuary are chipping sparrows and robins.